The goal of this lesson is to inspire you to think creatively about how you can enhance and improve your IoT temperature and humidity monitoring project. By showcasing potential improvements and new functionalities, you will gain insight on how your knowledge can lead to more advanced, practical applications. This lesson will provide an overview of exciting project extensions without diving into specific implementation details or tutorials. Congratulations on completing your IoT temperature and humidity monitoring system. Now that you have built a functional system, you're ready to explore new possibilities. IoT projects are designed to evolve, and the skills you have developed allow you to expand and improve your project in a variety of ways. This lesson will showcase the different directions in which you can take your project, highlighting the endless possibilities of the world of IoT. The goal is to ignite your imagination and encourage you to experiment further, creating more impactful and advanced systems. So let's explore some exciting ways that you can enhance your IoT project. One of the easiest ways to expand your IoT project is by adding new sensors to collect additional types of data. By integrating air quality sensors such as CO2 or particulate matter, you allow your system to monitor environmental conditions more comprehensively. This could be particularly useful for monitoring pollution or indoor air quality. Additionally, sensors for light intensity and noise levels can help create a fuller environmental profile. For example, you could develop a smart system that adjusts lighting or triggers notifications based on noise levels. Including a barometric pressure sensor adds a layer of meteorological data, potentially turning your project into a mini weather station. By adding more sensors, not only do you enrich the functionality of your project, but also gain more experience in working with various IoT components. You can also implement data logging and storage. Data collection is very valuable for many applications, and storing sensor data for long-term analysis can be incredibly useful. You can add an SD card module to store temperature and humidity data locally. This is especially useful in environments with limited connectivity or for applications where historical data is essential. Connecting your project to cloud services like Google Firebase or ThinkSpeak enables you to store and analyze the data in real time. This opens the door for remote monitoring and advanced data analytics, such as tracking trends over time or using predictive models. Cloud services can also be used to visualize data in real-time graphs, making it easier to interpret and share your findings. You can also enhance your web interface. Currently, your project uses a basic web interface to display temperature and humidity data. You can add interactive elements to your web page, such as buttons to adjust settings like refresh rates or temperature thresholds. This introduces user control into your IoT system, allowing for more customization. You can also include real-time data charts on your web interface. With the help of JavaScript libraries such as Chart.js, you can create dynamic user-friendly graphs that visualize the trends in your data. You can also enhance the interface so that users can access the web page from any network or location, providing a true remote monitoring solution. This would be beneficial for applications like smart homes or agricultural monitoring. You can also build a multi-room or multi-device system. Imagine expanding your project so that it covers multiple rooms or areas by implementing multiple ESP32 boards. Each device could monitor environmental conditions in different parts of a building, and all of the data could be aggregated and displayed on a single interface. You can create a smart home system where multiple sensors work together to optimize living conditions. For example, you could monitor temperature, humidity, and air quality across various rooms and automatically adjust heating, ventilation, or dehumidifiers as needed. You can use multiple sensors across different sites or locations and connect them to a unified web server for central monitoring. Also, your project could become part of a broader smart home system, working in tandem with other IoT devices. By integrating it with platforms such as Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you could introduce voice control and automation. For example, users could ask, "What's the temperature in the living room?" and they could receive a verbal response from a voice assistant. You could also connect your device to other smart appliances like thermostats or lights to automate actions based on environmental conditions. For example, if the temperature in a room gets too hot, the system could automatically turn on a fan or adjust the thermostat. You can also expand to cloud-based automation. Cloud services provide a powerful way to automate tasks based on sensor data. Using services like if this then that or Zapier, you can trigger actions based on conditions met by your IoT system, like automatically send an email notification or SMS when certain environmental conditions are met. For example, receive an alert when humidity drops too low or the temperature exceeds a certain threshold. You can also connect your project to home automation platforms, enabling automated responses based on data. For example, if the air quality falls below a certain level, a cloud-based system could trigger an air purifier. As you can see, the possibilities for expanding your IoT project are vast. Whether you're adding new sensors, integrating cloud services, enhancing the web interface, or creating an entire smart home system, your only limitation is your imagination. The key takeaway from this lesson is that IoT is highly scalable and adaptable. Your completed temperature and humidity monitor is just the beginning. There are countless ways to enhance its functionality and apply it to real-world problems. Now that you have built a solid foundation, we encourage you to continue exploring, experimenting, and developing even more complicated and sophisticated IoT systems. By expanding your project, not only do you develop your IoT skills, but also get a deeper understanding on how IoT systems can be used to solve complex challenges in various domains.